Hi guys, welcome back to Bella's Big Adventures. Today we're going to be leaving Camp Montsealand and we're heading east. So we're going to hit the road in about an hour or so and we'll video the journey because we're going to go around the scenic route past the lake again and past St Wolfgang, which is really beautiful. We should get to the new camp sort of late afternoon.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm.
have reached your destination. Your destination is on the left.
Morning. We've arrived at Sea Camping Masai Mara in Burndorf, and I'll show you around. It's a quirky little site. I'll do a little tour later on today, but we're not planning on doing an awful lot today because it's going to be sunny and it has all warmed up and stopped raining, so it's going to be fabulous. We might walk into town and do a bit of sunbathing. Doug's decided he's going to take the plunge and have a swim in the lake. I think it might be slightly colder than he's anticipating, but looks a bit salty to me. I think it was squelchy stuff under your feet. It's not very deep. It's only up to his thighs. Cold? No. It's not warm. I bet it's warmer than that other lake you swam in though, isn't it? No, it's not very deep. So at least you can stand up if you get into trouble. Right. In lieu of an activity today, we thought we'd do a bit of cooking and get the BioLite and the Ridge Monkey out again. We haven't used it for a while. And Doug's going to make a tarte tatin. So he's just prepping the apples, and then we cheated slightly because we've bought some ready-made pastry, but we still have to make it. So we've not done it before, so hopefully it'll all work out lovely. Right, I'll catch up with you in a minute when we've got the fire squirting lemon juice at me. We've got the fire started. We've got a couple of fir cones as well to start it up with. So right, so I'm going to use the pine cones as a fire starter because they burn really quickly, and then I'll put some pellets around it. Oh, there's fire starter in here. Maybe I should put a bit of that in as well, just to be sure, at the bottom. If you haven't already seen it, we have done a review of the BioLite. We still have some charge from last time we used it. I don't know if you can see that. Some green light showing how charged the battery is. You can actually charge your phone from this.
Hello, you.
I'm going to add some sugar to the pan. Make a sort of caramel. We don't want to burn it though, so just going to give it a bit of a stir. She's getting her nose in it. How much butter do we want? Scrape it off. There we go. Smells delicious. Caramelised.
Could be doing this all wrong, by the way.
Oh well. Sorry to any French people who know how to make these. We're just experimenting. I can get you a bigger spatula if you like. This is the one that comes with the set, so it's quite short. Apples now? Watch your fingers. It's hot, hot, hot. Just cutting the pastry to length. Okay. There we go. And the pastry goes over the top. Nom nom nom. Okay, pastry's on. And we need to put that on, do we? Or not? Like a little oven. Oh, it's bubbling up. Do you want me to pop it or not? It has got a magnetic catch on the end of the handle which holds them two together. What do you reckon, Bells? Would you like some tart tatin? Would you? Would that be nice? Yeah. It might be burnt for all we know. Never done this before. Good girl. Look at that, Bells. What do you reckon? Nice piece of apple tart. Don't stick your nose in it though, because it's mine. So there's the toilet block and kitchen showers. When I said quirky, I was talking about these interesting animals. There's even some crocodiles in the pond here, look. It's a koi carp pond. Oh, there's quite a lot of fish in there. And a water buffalo over there. So this is the kitchen area. It's a washing machine. Reception is up there. Another pond here. And the ducks. And they've even got a little ladder to get in and out. As you can see, all these are permanent positions. And they've built little decks and they've got their own little jetties to get into the swimming lake. In a higgledy-piggledy sort of way, it's really pretty. Lots of gazebos and things, as you can see, because they're the permanent positions. They all have lovely tea lights and fairy lights at night time. This is the reception from a bit of a distance. And a veggie garden. So as you can see, it couldn't be any more different than the last one, which was a bit more formal and rigid. But nice all the same. We've got the recycling here, with bins and things, and the toilet waste and some water, and a camel, as you do. Anyway, that's it. It's not a big place, but it's been fun. Morning. It's our last day on site today. We're just going to have a little bit of breakfast, sit in the sun for a little bit longer, and then we're going to pack up and head on home. We hope you've enjoyed these videos. If you have, please consider subscribing. It does help the channel. And hit that like button and leave me a comment and let me know what you think. Okay, we'll see you next time. So from me, Doug and Bella, bye for now. Thanks for watching.